Hi, Regina. Hi, Mark. Hi, ReMar family. My name is Demetra West, 38. I'm coming to say that I am officially a ReMar nurse. I passed my NCLEX in 85 questions. And how I did it? By the grace of God and by these beautiful tools from Regina and Mark. I did quick facts with nursing. I used the V2 program. The book, I love the way that you're able to go in, fill out the book as you listen to the lessons. It was easy. It broke it down to where I understood it. Then the quick facts just gave you the essential things that you needed to pass the program. Y'all, delayed but not denied. I graduated RN school in 2013. I tested 3 times and I never passed boards. I felt like giving up. I thought maybe God had another plan for my life, but it's all in His timing. I recently found out there were other states that didn't have limits, and so I pursued that. I registered to take my test again. I registered for Regina's program. I had found out about her when I was in nursing school, but I didn't really use it. I tried hers and Kaplan, and it was just a lot. It didn't help me to understand the information. It didn't break it down for me. It didn't make it any clearer than nursing school did. I feel like with the V2 program, I have learned more than what I learned in nursing school. I started at Florida A&M University. I finished at Vernon College. The last 11 years of my life, I have been in psychiatric nursing. But I am officially a ReMar nurse, Demetra West RN. I'm excited about what God has in store. This means a lot for me and my family. It means that I'm able to promote myself. I'm able to get different experiences, things that I was kind of limited. I live in a small town. So now the sky is the limit. And it's all due to God, due to Regina and Mark praying and covering everybody in the beautiful program that they have put together.